Hello guys, my name is Rishikesh Tukkar. I have recently completed my post-graduation in Masters of Computer Application uh, from GH Raisoni Institute. After my post-graduation, I explored so many IT programs. Then I finally decided to be the part of this data analyst, and also I chose it as a career. As I mentioned before that I was exploring so many IT technologies and was confused that what should I choose as a career option. Then afterwards I met my mentor Mr. Anup sir. He told me much and more about data science and all those things, and then I got to know, and then I also searched for it. I explored some of the articles. I went on to Google. I went on to YouTube, and I was just like exploring all those things about data science. And then I finally chose it as my career option. As I previously told that I was quite confused choosing whether I should go for online class courses or a physical institute, where I was actually hoping for one-to-one sessions. And as I previously met Mr. Anup sir, my mentor, he told me each and everything about the institute, that I was quite happy listening this, and then I have decided data analytics as an career option, and also Anup Kekar's Python Academy as an institute, as one of my seniors and one of my colleagues given me the good reviews of this institute. So I was quite happy being part of this Anup Kekar's Python Academy. The journey at Python Academy was really a good experience. At the very first day, Anup sir told us about all the introductory part of Python. We moved on to some basic concepts of Python, and afterwards we went to some core concepts, and then the advanced concepts, which was very helpful for me. And then some of the materials which was provided from the institute was very helpful for all of us. And then we moved on to the next second phase of this course, which was of data science, where we learned SQL, some machine learning concepts, which were firstly basics, and then we moved simultaneously to core and then advanced and all those things. Also there were some tasks given by the institute to all of the students to complete it and to make it done, which made me very easy performing all those things by myself, and it was really a good experience. During this training program, we also had internship through Springboard company, which was where I also worked individually on data sets, some case studies. As being part of that task, I was also having good hands on it. I got good job assistance from Anup Kekar's Python Academy. They helped me designing my CVs, my resumes. Also, we were having mock interviews in our mock interview sessions in our institute, which helped us that how we can prepare for interviews and all those things. Afterwards, then I got some opportunities from various job portals like Naukri.com, and actually I was individually searching for it. Then I got to know about Quantum Integrators. I got a call from Naukri.com. I got selected there as a trainee data analyst. My interview process was really a good experience for me. I got a call from Quantum Integrators as my CV was selected. They got to know about me from Naukri.com. Afterwards, they called me for the interview. In my first round, there were some basic questions asked from them to me. Afterwards, I got selected for the second round. In my second round, there were some technical questions. They wanted the fresher who has some basic who has their basic concepts cleared. They were not jumping to some complex algorithms or something like that, but they were just expecting some basic concepts should be clear of a student. And then afterwards I got selected for the third round, which was my HR round. and in that they were actually explaining me about their company's terminologies and all those things, about each and everything about their company. Well, I don't know if I am yet eligible to answer this question or not. So before this opportunity, I faced a lot of interviews where I've seen that companies would rather see in a fresher that you should have a good hands-on experience on mini projects, some of the data sets, rather than theoretical practices. But I would say that you should go for good project skills. You should go for good data sets. You should I just mean to say that you should have good experience and good knowledge of having working on projects, some mini case studies and all those things, which would help you in your further career, and it would be very helpful for you as well if you can make it and go for it. A job opportunity is a continuous process, so you guys need to be bit patient, because as each and everyone expects that if I am studying from this institute, so I should get direct opportunity after completion of my certification course and all those things. So as I've mentioned that it is a continuous process, you guys need to be a bit patient. As you are working for some of the projects and whatever you are going through, so you need to also have some hands-on experience on your projects and all those things. So best of luck, guys.